Hello friends, in this video let's discuss some of the important technical terms which are used in structural design and analysis. So it is super important to know about these technical terms. So these are all the very basic things in structural analysis and design. If you do not know these technical terms and how it is functioning, how it is used in structural analysis and design, then it will be little complicated to proceed with the structural design of any project. So always understand the basic clearly, so it will be very easy for you to design any structure. Let's start with the material property. Each and every material has its own property. Whenever a load is applied on that material, it tends to deform from its original position. Deform means change in shape. Here the load is applied on the beam, so the member has deformed like this. The shape of the member has changed from this to this. You could see the difference. So the cohesive force between the molecules of the material offers resistance against deformation. The process of deformation stops when the force of resistance is equal to the externally applied load. The concept is very simple. So the external loads are applied on this member. So it has to offer some resistance against this externally applied load. Force of resistance is equal to the externally applied load means there will not be any deformation. When the force of resistance is less than the externally applied load, then the deformation continues until failure takes place. This is the concept of force of resistance. So each and every material has its own property. When the load is applied on that material, it tends to deform. If the force of resistance developed in that material is equal to the externally applied load, means there will not be any deformation. If the force of resistance is less than the externally applied load, means the deformation continues until failure takes place.